Alright. Let's go. Your turn.
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Oh, these are bangers already.
I don't know half your words.
Oh, this is good. Now remember, the color is important. Color is important.
Oh.
The color is so important, mate.
I don't know if it is.
It is important, actually.
What? What are you doing, man? Oh.
Oh!
Why the bull? Why the bull?
That's curry, man. Because Indians love to eat bear foods of all cuisines.
Actually, can't undo it.
Wow, that's a circle if I've ever seen.
Alright.
These are good words, a lie. Spider-Man,
Yeah, they're good words. They're good words.
AirPods. AirPod. Alright.
Oh. Easy.
Blaze. Look at my doodle, it's so so quality.
We're gonna get through this game fast, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. We could probably put some regular words in there too.
Yeah.
Surfboard, a lie. That's a nice blade. Good brand. It looks hard.
We're guessing them too fast, man.
Okay, this is a more tough one. This is a tough one.
Headman. Nope.
Get a guess.
I'm not gonna guess. Oh! I got it, right? Oh, I got it.
Did you get it? Oh, you
Yeah,
did. Ugly man. Wow.
I think that's all I gotta do.
Target. Target.
Target.
Good memories there. Alright. Oh man.
Is the color important?
Always. And sometimes it's this color.
Katie. I don't know, man.
Cheese. Come on. Hey.
Jeez.
Easy. Easy Tommy.
Easy, Tommy.
It's the blame game. I love you. It's the blame game.
I don't even know how to draw this.
Is that a church?
I can do this, obviously.
Monastery. As if that's one of my words. Fire? Torch? What is this? Oh man, what is that?
Shit.
New York! I knew that was a Statue of Liberty, but
We should play. Oh no, the fucking sounds in here. It's fine. We'll play through it.
alarm.
Oh,
It's just a
wait.
terrorist attack over there, right? Nothing huge.
Just the what?
Just a terrorist attack over there.
Yep.
Nothing worth leaving the building for. Man's gonna die there still. He's asking her out. It's 3 letters.
Fuck. Let's take us over there. Come on, get it.
Die? Bad.
Die? Why die?
I thought it was a casket at first.
Hey girl, let's take this over there. Die?
No, because I had a millisecond to guess and I put die.
I already know what this is.
Oh, water
So
daily.
yeah.
Although I prefer an Olfa still. I prefer my water sparkling. Still. That's me.
Yeah, it's too easy. I try to make it abstract.
Toronto. Oh, I just randomly said T dot.
Yeah.
CN Tower.
Is this gonna stop? I think I'm gonna die.
You smell smoke over there.
I don't smell smoke. What the? Oh wait.
Cute.
Chips and salsa, eh?
Shit. Awesome.
Man. I don't know.
Oh
No, babe! That doesn't even look like a pizza.
chips and salsa. I even drew the blaze. Blaze pizza sponsorship.
That's how you drop pizza.
You're right, because they're never round.
You could have split it. Nice.
They are.
Don't write that. Don't write that.
What was he gonna write?
I don't know.
Yeah, tell them to cut that shit out. Lakers. Lake Tahoe. That's how our Indo friend Edwin says it. Lake Tahoe.
20. When was it? Yeah. Come on, man. Oh wait, I didn't even give you a hint.
Rhodey. Orca.
No, that's the hint. The CD. We weren't even listening to it on.
What? Was the
I
last
should have done that first.
sentence?
I should
We
have done that
didn't
first.
listen to it on a CD. We just listened to it
It was
on
on a CD.
Spotify.
Should have done a music icon.
It was on a CD.
Should I end the recording? It's been 10 minutes.